if you don't know me yet, my name is Ingrida and welcome to my channel, guys. So this video we're gonna be creating a makeup look for a change. It's not another review video, as I thought I'm doing so many reviews at the moment that I should do a little bit of tutorials. What do you guys think? Leave a comment down below. Do you prefer reviews or tutorials? And because Valentine's Day is coming soon, I thought I'm gonna create something suitable for that occasion. So I went with the halo eye makeup look, which is actually really good for hooded eyes as it's making your eyes look bigger. And I thought that I want some glitter because, you know, why not? And obviously because it's a Valentine's Day with a dark burgundy ombre lip. So let's watch a tutorial. Alright, let's do this. So first I'm gonna prime my eyelids using Maybelline the Eraser Eye Concealer. So as today we're gonna be playing with glitter, so I got this from Primark, which is 150, and it's eyeshadow shields because we're gonna play with glitter, so obviously it's gonna be some fallout, so I'm just gonna use this. I haven't tried this yet, by the way. So as my transition color, I'm gonna go with Huda Beauty Warm Obsessions palette and this orangey color in here. Just gonna go with it very lightly, a little bit higher than my crease would be. Next thing I'm doing, I'm going with this darker color in here and gonna go on the outer corners of the eye and the inner corners of my eye. Next thing I'm doing, I'm going with Urban Decay Shadow Box, and I will take this black color called Blackout and apply again in the outer and inner corners. Next thing I'm doing, I'm taking Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit Ultimate Glow and the cool color Snow, and I'm just gonna use my finger and place it in the middle of the eye. It's time for some glitter. This makeup look, by the way, is like the fastest and the easiest. So for glitter, I'm gonna use NYX Face and Body Glitter Brilliance in the color Gunmetal. And to apply that, I'll use some NYX Glitter Primer. And I'm applying just in the middle where we applied the highlighter. And I'm concentrating closer to the lash line and then just blending the glitter up what's left on the brush. And I'm especially looking down now, like looking up from down, to see where my crease is so I can bring the glitter slightly bit higher. So the glitter is on, and especially as I mentioned, applied like thicker layer of the glitter on the bottom, concentrated closer to my lash line, and then just blended what was left on the brush higher. So you can see the concentration of glitter is like less on the top. So next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna apply some eyeliner. So for the eyeliner today, I'm gonna use a NYX Matte Liquid Liner in Black. So the eyeliner is on, and next thing we're gonna apply some eyeshadow on the lower lash line and then apply the falsies. So for the lower lash line, I'm gonna go with this darker color from Huda Beauty Warm Browns Obsession. Once again on the outer corners and the inner corners of the eye, close to the lash line. And continuing with this silver black glitter theme, I'm gonna go with Urban Decay Eyeshadow Box, the grey silvery color which is called Mushroom, and apply just in the middle of the lower lash line. And because I want this halo effect to continue on the lower lash line as well, I'm gonna use the NYX Face and Body Glitter Brilliance in silver, just in the middle, like a halo effect again. So we're nearly done with eyes. Next thing we're gonna apply some falsies. So I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Noel. and the lashes are on. So next thing I'm doing, I'm taking the NYX 2-timer eyeliner and I'm just gonna go on the water line on a lower lash line. And then I'm going with some mascara, so I'm gonna use a Tarte 4-in-1 Light Camera Lashes Mascara in black. So before I'm gonna apply foundation, I think I'm gonna multitask and brighten my teeth a little bit with a High Smile whitening kit. Alright, let's set this up. So to set the foundation, I'm gonna use NYX HD Finishing Powder. And to contour a little bit more, I'm gonna use Benefit Blushing Babe Set, and I'm gonna use a Hoola for my cheeks and later Colorista. And we're nearly done. So for my glow today, I'm gonna use Anastasia Glow Kit in Ultimate Glow, and I'm gonna use the white sand. And to highlight my inner eye corner a little bit, I'm gonna use the color Snow. I think I want a little bit of a red lip, as Valentine's Day is not far away and red is kind of Valentine's Day color, am I right? And for that, I think I'm gonna go with a little bit of an ombre look and mix these two Rimmel Stay Matte liquid lipsticks, Fire Starter and Plump the Show. And we are done. What do you guys think? Thank you so much for spending your time watching this quick tutorial. I really hope you found it helpful. If so, don't forget to press that thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more. And if you'll go and recreate this makeup look, please tag me in your pictures, as I would love to see those. And yeah, I can't wait to share more videos with you guys, and I'll see you very soon. So thank you so much for watching, and bye! Ciao! Love you all!